Part 2 of 3 derivatives of products and quotients is going to just be on the quotient rule. And we want to look at our quotient as being a top and a bottom. And the derivative of our quotient is the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom, all over the bottom squared. And just like I did with the product rule, I'm going to do a same kind of setup, only I'm going to do the bottom first and then the top. So the bottom is 2x minus 1. The derivative of the bottom is 2. The top is x squared. The derivative of the top is 2x. Then we still have those cross products, but the order does matter here. So you're going to make sure that you take the bottom times the derivative of the top minus top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. You will get a different result if you mix those up because you are subtracting. So distributing and combining like terms. You have some matched problems there to try. I do want you to ignore doing the last one in 2 ways. Just use the quotient rule. I will be posting the answers after you answer a question or two. Hopefully you were successful in the matched problems. Let's look at another example for differentiating quotients. Again, let's do our bottom prime, top prime. The bottom is t to the third plus 1. The top is t squared minus t. Crisscross, so we have y prime equals t to the third plus 1 times 2t minus 1 minus t squared minus t all over t to the third plus 1 quantity squared. Now you do need to distribute. In this case you need to use FOIL. I'm going to go ahead and do that. First, outers, inners, last. I'm going to distribute and subtract at the same time. So minus and negative is plus or positive, or 2 negatives multiplied together. So that you get negative t to the fourth plus 2t to the third plus 2t minus 1 all over t to the third plus 1 quantity squared. Try your match problems number 5, keeping in mind that you have to take the derivative of e to the x, and you have to take the derivative of the natural log of x. Hopefully you were successful in those matched problems. And this ends part 2 of the concepts